it's Candace, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to place an order with Arbonne and also how to become a preferred client if you want access to the special value packs or the deeper discount that you only get when you become a preferred client. So I'm going to click over, I'm going to put my face over here in the corner, and we're going to get started. So to place an order, you need to have an independent consultant. So if you just go to arbonne.com and you don't have a consultant, then it's going to just find a random consultant for you. You can't just buy direct from the company because this is a network marketing company and you have to make a purchase through an independent consultant. So if you don't have a consultant, then you can go to my website. I'll leave a link down below. If you want to just click on it directly down below the video, or you can just go to smartmomblogger.com/shop Arbonne, and I created that link to go right to my website. You can do that as well. If you have your own independent consultant already, then you can just use the link that they gave you and make your purchases that way. We all have the same website, so this is going to help you either way. So if you want to just make a purchase, once you have your consultant's link and their website up, you can just, it's a normal shopping experience, online shopping experience. So just go to whichever category or categories that you want to make a purchase from, and you add it to your bag. And then as you can see, your shopping bag has one in, and you just click over. We're not going to go through the whole thing because it's a very intuitive, normal shopping experience. If you just want to be a retail customer and you don't care about getting the deeper discount, becoming a preferred client, or getting access to the special value packs that I talked about. So easy peasy, just like that. We're not going to do that today. That was just for demonstration purposes. But now if you do want to get, like, say, this nutrition special value pack we have, or we also have special value packs for makeup and skincare, then you're going to have to become a preferred client first, because you get 40%. I'm going to show you here. You get 40% on these special value packs, which is an amazingly deep discount on all of these products. And so you don't want to buy these retail, because Arbonne products are not cheap, because Arbonne products are not cheap. They're not cheap products. They're premium products, and you want to give yourself the best deal possible. So if you're planning on doing the 30 days to healthy living, or if you need to replace your crappy toxin-filled makeup with, good toxin-free makeup that's beneficial, then you want to get one of our special value packs, either nutrition or skincare or makeup. And in order to do that, you're going to have to sign up to be a preferred client. So what you'll do is just go to the homepage of my website, and then you're going to click on register, that link at the very top. And then you get a discount if you're a preferred client. You get a deeper discount if you're an independent consultant. And the one-time annual charge for becoming a preferred client is $29. If you want to become an independent consultant, it's $49. So it's a little bit more. So if you don't plan on sharing the products with your friends or starting your own business, then probably just stick with being a preferred client. If you think in any way, shape, or form you might refer some of these products to your friends and family, I totally recommend doing the independent consultant route, because you get a great discount and you earn a little bit of money on the side as you refer the products to your friends and family. If you ever wanted to take this seriously as a business, let me know. I will coach you step by step through the process, and it definitely can be a huge income potential if you treat it like a business. But that's kind of on another topic there. Just coming in to be a preferred client, you click on this button here that says Start Saving. So just quick recap, what this gives you is a 20% discount on products, 40% on the special value packs we talked about. There's that a $29 registration fee. It's only $19 to renew every year. You get free product rewards, free shipping, free gifts. You get lots of perks. So if you are an Arbonne fan, definitely a good option to sign up as a preferred client. So you're just going to click on that button, and then you're going to enter your email address. And then, so for this one, I'm going to enter one of my email addresses that I have not used yet, just for demonstration purposes. And then you're going to come in and create a password, whatever you want it to be, until it says it's legit, and then you click register. And then you are going to come through and enter your name and information. And then you're going to just click. If yes, you have to click the terms and conditions. Yes, send me emails. You don't have to click that, but you probably will want to click that so you know about the sales and the deals and all that. So we're going to do that. And then, so now you are, you're registered. You haven't paid anything yet. You are just registering yourself as a preferred client. And then just say confirm and shop. So now you're going to be able to have access to all the special deals, all the special discounts, and the special value packs. Okay, so now if you click on over to special offers, sorry, I'm going to go back real quick so you can see what your shopping cart looks like. So you'll see this subtotal right now is $29. That's the preferred client sign up fee. And you can just sign up as a preferred client if you want, but I recommend placing an order. It's why you're signing up as a preferred client. So here you can see down here, they already have the special value packs as options if you wanted to add those to your bag. But you can always now click on special offers, and where you noticed before there wasn't an option here, now there is. So you can click on the special value packs, and you can click on each one to get the full details, but you can go ahead and make your purchases. And from here, the rest of the process is just like any other shopping experience. You just have to do that initial step of signing up as a preferred client if you want to have access to these special value packs and, of course, get that additional discount. So I'm not going to go through the purchasing process. You can figure that out on your own for sure. But if you have any questions, then feel free to leave a comment below. Reach out to me on my website at smartmomblogger.com, or there is also you can just contact me on my Arbonne website. I'm all over the place. Just feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about this process, but it should be fairly easy. And that's it. Talk to you guys soon. Hope you have a good one.